Hello and welcome to Jimmy Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to create a mail account. In this video I'm going to use the Gmail. First we open the browser and go to www.gmail.com. Here is the home page of Gmail. So now we have to click the Create Account button. We move to the page where we enter our information for our Gmail account. First name, last name, username, password, and so on. So for first name I'm going to use Jamie, last name Tips, username. Here we have to remember that we need to use username more than 8 characters, up to 30 characters. We cannot use a username less than 8 characters or more than 30 characters. Let's try. So if I type few characters, Jimmy, sorry, your username must be between 6 and 30 characters long. So for this I'm going to use Jimmy Tips 22. Now we have to choose a password. Use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. So we cannot use a password less than 8 characters. Here we have to enter the same password. Now we have to click the next button. In this page we have to enter our phone number for verification. So we enter our phone number and we will receive a text message with a 6-digit verification code. So we have to enter our phone number and then click next button. So after we receive the verification code, we have to enter the verification code. And we have to click the verify. On this page we have to enter our information for birthday. I'm using just for example. Here we click next. We have to accept the privacy and terms. Well done! Now we have a mail account. Let's try to send an email to Well, this was the process of creating a mail account using Gmail. I want to thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more video tips. Also, comment below your question and suggestion. Thank you very much and see you on my next videos.